Put the soaked rajma in the cooker. Add water as per need. Cover with lid for 2 whistles. Put soaked rajma in a grinder. Make a thick paste. Put coriander leaves in rajma paste. 2-3 chopped chilli, 2 chopped onion. Salt to taste. Sibu veg cutlet masala as per taste. Mix it well. Make a mixture. Make a round shape. Put oil in a pan. Shallow fry the cutlet. Sprinkle Sibu chaat masala. Sibu cooking tips. How can I soften rajma quickly? Instant soaking of rajma. If you do not have much time to soak them, then boil rajma in salted water for 10 to 15 minutes and then keep it aside for 1 hour. Soaking them in the hot water will help to become soft early. Help us to serve you better.